Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. As you can tell by my title, I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom and also organizing it. It is a very small bathroom and it has a lot going on in it, too much junk and not a lot of storage space. I have a lot of items that are not being used and also a lot of expired products here. In this video, I'll be taking my time to clean and organize this space. But firstly, I would like to share some items I've bought to elevate the space better than what it looks like now. First, I have this box where I intend to put my toothbrush and toothpaste. I have this black ceramic bottle for hand soap. I bought these storage boxes here for organizing my products on the shelves. I got a new shower curtain and a shower rod. I saw this box and I thought it would be perfect for storing my hand towels. Here are the hand towels. I also got these hooks that I will be making use of in the bathroom. Last but not the least, I got this bath mat. Right now, I'm just going to start cleaning everything out so that we can see the space we're working with. This is what the empty space looks like. While cleaning, I want to talk about changes going forward on my channel. So I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed. At the point when I uploaded this video, I have about 500 subscribers. So far, I am grateful for my subscribers, but I expected my channel to have grown more than what it is currently. Firstly, I believe I can do more than just sewing tutorials on my channel, so I want to introduce more content here. I think doing more of sewing tutorials kind of restricted me to what I feel I can do on my channel. In the last few weeks, I've been thinking of how I can increase my audience and gain more subscribers. I like so many things. I want to do fashion hauls, how to dress, home improvements, and so on. I believe I can do so much more because I have so many ideas and I would like to try them out. And you guys, I need an engaging audience. Leave a comment, suggest video ideas of what I can do. I would really appreciate it. And I'm not saying I want to stop sewing tutorials. I just think I can do so much more than sewing tutorials. Firstly, I'll be cutting the tags off the storage boxes before I go ahead to construct them well and put products in it. I am just sorting everything out, putting my hair products together, skincare products together, personal hygiene, and so on. As I am organizing the boxes, I am throwing out expired products and whatever I am not using anymore. Before I forget, I bought these glass jars to put things like my body scrub, face cleansers and cotton pads, and some other things I may think of along the way. I am transferring my body scrub into the empty jar. also going to be putting my cotton pads here and adding my face cleanser into it. I would also be pouring my hand soap into the ceramic black dispenser. Here I have my toothbrushes and toothpastes. In one of the boxes I have my hair products, and in the other one I have my personal hygiene products. There. Going ahead to put my hand towels here. I did not realize I had a lot of expired products and also empty containers that I don't need anymore. So here are some of the things I already organized. These are my hair products, my personal hygiene products, normal products for the house like extra soap, deodorants and the likes, body sprays and the likes. And in here I have like my panty liners and tampons. And here I have all my hair products. Here my husband has all his hair products. And this box I have my toilet rolls. So I'm going to be putting that here. I'm going to be putting my hair products here. And the other box with my other hair products will be here. I'm going to be putting the soap dispenser here. Now going ahead here, I'm going to be using these hooks for my sponges and also my foot scrub. I'll also be going ahead to hang my new shower rod and shower curtains. Now I am all done. It is time for the big reveal. Okay, let me show you what I have done so far. I added these tags here so that I could hang the sponge. This is my soap dish and this is my body scrub. I changed the flimsy shower rod that was here before and I added a new shower curtain. Also by the sink, I changed this hand soap dispenser. I added our toothbrushes here and hand towels here. So after washing your hand, you just use the hand towel here. Here I have my husband's clippers and his things for personal hygiene here, and here I have my hair products, and here I just use here as a storage for toilet rolls. Moving on to the toilet areas, I have my washing soap, disinfectant, room sprays, bleach and whatnot here on this roll here. And here I have my personal hygiene like my tampons, my panty liners, cotton pads, extra toothbrush and the likes here. In this box here, I have like things like my body lotions, face creams and stuff here. Here I have extra soap, bathing soaps, extra hand soap, body sprays, deodorants, perfumes and things like that in this box here. Here I have extra things I might be needing for the bathroom here in this box here. That is all. I am glad you guys joined me for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video.